We just completed a task many say no to.
Okay, let's go.
What is going on? James from Act Audio, Vernon, Connecticut. And we just did cut-ins on a motorcycle and it had the power locks. We made a mistake, but we ended up deciding that let's figure out how to relocate these locks, because normally, unless you have the CVO with the cut-ins there already, your power locks will not work. Thanks to our rep from Hertz, who we are a big advocate of their products on motorcycles. If you watch our other videos, he came down, he helped us out and found a solution to maintain the locks in the lid of this bag with the cut-ins. Check it out. So you can see we did our Hertz cut-in to this bag with the Hertz SX69 Neo speaker. This one is not on the bike currently, but if you open the bag up, you can see if you know the bikes, it's in a different location and it's running down, but it is hooked up. I don't want to show it because I don't want to give away the secret. It was a lot of work to do and figure out, but this fully functions with the lock on this bag. I know the video wasn't as exciting as you thought it'd be, but we really don't want to give away all the secrets because the person that figured that out, I can't take credit for it, worked really hard. And we're fortunate to have a really close circle of people that support us in this industry. You know, they showed it to us, but it is possible. And we wanted to show that it's possible. So any questions, hit us up below. Thanks for watching.